Okay, are you looking to make a hook to hang something on vinyl siding without drilling holes in it? Well, I just figured out a really good way, really simple way to do it, and it works awesome. I'll show you. So I'll just take an old piece of siding, and what I'm doing is I'm just cutting a piece out, as you can see. So I'm going to cut that out, and then I'll show you what I do with it. So I have this piece I cut out of there, and basically I took my snips, and I cut the top off. So now what I've got left, as you can see, the hook. Now I'm going to cut most of that hook off of this. So I cut the most of it off. You can see I've left just a little bit of a down hook on it. And you can't leave too much, you won't be able to tuck it up under the siding. Now I'm just going to drill a hole in it to place a hook to be able to hang something from it. So there you go, clip made with a hole drilled in it for a hook. And now I'll go tuck it up under the siding, and it's perfect. It works really well. Okay, so here's the hook, and all you have to do is kind of put it upside down, tuck it under the siding, like so, and push. There, it's hooked in. Now I can slide it, and I have a hook that's removable, but will hold a lot of weight, and you can put anything on it. And it doesn't damage the siding, don't have to drill a hole. This was just an idea, and we were trying to figure out a way to hang things, so this is what came out of it, and it works well.